Welcome to Little Strokes, episode 2, lesson 2. As promised, we'll go with curves. I hope you guys already practice straight lines as much as you can. So we'll start with curves, and relating to that, we'll also learn a little bit about symmetric and asymmetric. Generally, we learn this little later, but personally, I think little bit knowledge we should have from the very beginning. So what is symmetric, what is asymmetric, and what is the importance, that also I will tell you later. You will yourself come to know anyway. So we will start with curves, and we'll start with our previous lesson, I mean with the straight line. How? Let's draw this straight line. Let's make it little more. Now what we'll do, we'll separate it in small parts. Now what we'll do, same thing like the straight line. What happens to drawing the curves? If you only want to draw some zigzag line, then it's okay. You just for whatever this path you can follow, whatever height you can want, you can like this, you can like this, you can do like this, whatever you can. This is a zigzag line. This is not following any discipline. This line has no any particular path. But if you want to do a particular path, like this is this height, we'll go here also the same height. We'll go here also the same height. Then this is a problem for the beginners. Now why is the problem? How to solve it? We'll come in later. First, we'll try to learn a little more about the curves and how to practice the curves. You see, while we draw in geometry in this circle, we have a compass. Now I don't have. We have a compass. It has two legs, and we fix one point, one leg, and the other point. With the help of other point, we draw the curve, the circle. In our hand also, we have to find a point from around which we will draw the curve. So what we do, generally use this portion. Now as you more do the practice, you do more practice, you will find it very easy to use which part of this area. This is a big area, this is not point. So you will find very easy to know that which area will use at what time to make a big curve, a small curve, I mean a big circle or a small circle. So let's we draw. If you draw like this, I mean you are not touching your hand on the page, you just drawing like this, then it will come like this. But if you drop it here and draw, then you see it's more perfect. Now why I am telling you every time use this portion? Because when you are going to draw a big curve, one curve, not like this one zigzag line, like say you are going to draw a umbrella. This is a straight line for umbrella. Now you know I have to go draw a curve like this to draw umbrella. So let's assume this is our maximum height. We'll go up to this, and we'll start from here. We'll stop here. What we'll do? See, I am dropping here. This is my point of which will I follow. Then I am drawing this. Then again I am dropping here. This is my point, and I am drawing this. So when you draw in your paper, it will be more perfect. Here it's little bit, friction is not that good. So again one straight line and a curve. Then this is a point, you take some more points and make this curves. This is a straight line, like this. See, the umbrella is ready. So what is the point? Main point is you have to fix your hand in some this position. You have to take help of this position, and you have to draw a curve. So for practice, what you will do? You have to first draw a straight line. Say this much. Then you yourself fix a height here, whatever. And you know I have to start here, I have to traverse this path or this path or this path, I have to finish here, and I will fix my hand like this. So first this part, this and this, from this point, this, and from here, this, from this point, this, and from here, like this. So see, I am using my this part only in different parts, sometimes here, but I am using this part as the point from which around which I will draw the curve, and I am fixing it around according to the height. From here, for this I fix here, for this I fix here, for this I fix more here, but I am only using this one. So this thing you have to follow. So you practice only this. You take one straight line and draw curve. You take a big straight line, draw curve. Like this you will practice as much as you can. After that, the main motto is to draw a circle. Now how to draw a circle? For this we have to know what is symmetric, what is asymmetric. Symmetric is in very small word. Symmetric is a figure if we divide it in two parts, the one part will be same as the other. You see, this part is same as this part. So this is symmetric to this. So if you draw a circle, first time you cannot just draw like this. For you beginners, it's a little bit tough. So what to do? You know the very word C. This C. You know all this. What we will do? We will draw a straight line. We will draw one big C here. And you see, this is the maximum height from this length. From this straight line to this curve, this is maximum height. Approximately, you imagine the same point here of this same height. Now what you have to do, same thing what you have already practiced, you have to start from here, you will stop the here, and this is your maximum height. So what you will do, you will fix your hand, now for drawing a circle, you have to take the height more. So this is one C, and you travel from here and this same route, and you stop here. See, it's almost like a circle. So to draw a circle, first you have to understand what is symmetric. So this part is same as this part. You first draw this, you have the height, you imagine a same point around approximately same point, and you first draw this curve from here and around this curve, you will get a circle. Very easy. So today what we have learned already, you learn to draw a curve, you take straight line, you draw a curve. You take different height, you draw different curve. After that you draw a circle. After this, you remember our last one? What was it like? It was like a little bit like this. Our home, a small heart was there. And there it was, mountains. I think you already remember, you already practiced it. Now you already know how to draw a curve. So now we can draw a sun from here and straight line. are drawing the sun, you know, you can draw a pond also. Curve, curve, curve. See? So this, there is water, this is our land area. You can draw a road also. Curve. You can draw a tree also. How? This is a straight line. After that, do like this. Now you know curve. Make some branches here. Now curve. See, in the universe there are only two things, either a straight line or a curve. So you know both the things now. You know curves also, you know straight line also. So we can now draw anything, whatever you want. So you can draw a balloon. You can draw a car. These are all straight lines. Now here comes the very small, so basic drawings you try to draw. Whatever you see there, you want to draw it because it's having only straight line and curve. Whatever you try to draw, you do more practice. You this curvature of your hand, it will be more, you know, more perfect. So we learned curve, we learned symmetric, then asymmetric. Okay, what is asymmetric? Obviously the opposite of symmetric. So what is you draw a line. This is this one, but this will not follow the same. See, this is different. Like if you want to draw egg, draw this one like this, and then don't follow it. You just go like this. See, this is our egg. Like this, like ginger. For ginger, you want to draw ginger. With this, and you don't have to follow. You follow like this, like this, like this. It's ginger. So asymmetric drawing is very easy. You don't have to follow any route, any path. But for the symmetric is important. So practice more. Be with us. We'll again meet in the next follow-up sessions.